Hey Modern Fragrance community, today I'll be doing a review on the Hedione, Hedione, or Methyl Dihydro Jasmonate aroma chemical by Firmenich. Hedione, or transparent jasmine, is a Mediterranean jasmine extract isolate synthesized in 1958. The chemist behind this scent goes by the name of Edouard de Mal. Let's talk a little more about this amazing aroma chemical. Hedione has the ability to activate the pheromone receptors in our olfactory system, and has actually been proven to trigger a sexual response in humans. And it's only fitting that the Greek hedone roughly translates to pleasure. Hedione is classified as a middle note while hosting fixative properties. Firmenich describes this scent profile as an elegant, transparent floral jasmine note with citrus freshness. And quite frankly, I have to agree. You can use solvents such as Perfumers alcohol or dipropylene glycol to dilute your Hedione. I have a video about understanding alcohol and perfumery. I'll leave a link in the description. The recommended usage is between 2 and 15% of your total concentration. But this aroma chemical is extremely versatile and can be used at levels of 35% or more. It has a boiling point of 228 to 233 degrees Fahrenheit or 109 to 112 degrees Celsius, and has a flash point of 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93.3 degrees Celsius. A few very important MSDS notes include that this product is environmentally hazardous with long-lasting effects. Like usual, wear all appropriate PPE when handling aroma chemicals. In conclusion, I've had a great experience exploring this scent. It's easy to see why Hedione by Firmenich is used in so many popular niche and designer fragrances. For more videos about perfumery and aroma chemicals, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.